remember that the bottom part of it should be on the line. يعني هذا القسم يجب أن يكون على السطر. إذا كانت في وسط الكلمة أيضا تكتب بنفس الطريقة. إذا كانت في آخر الكلمة تكتب بنفس الطريقة. And remember, this part of the calf, if it is at the end, doesn't go below the line. Only the lamb goes below the line, which I will explain in a minute, inshallah. الآن اللام, as we said, the same as اللام goes below the line. So it's like J in English.
Is that even for, is it just for at the end, or is it?
That's the big lamb. So in the, when it is in its own. Yeah? إذا كانت في بداية الكلمة هكذا، في الوسط هكذا. And at the end هكذا. And remember the difference between lam and alif. You know, when you read, I'm sure you know these things, but the lam is joined letter. So you join it from right and left, من اليمين والشمال. But the alif, only from the, you can join it from the right. You cannot join it to the left. So if for any reason you are confused, is this alif or lam, look at the next letter. If it is joined to the next letter, so it is
lam.
If it is unjoined, it is alif.
You know the writing, is there slight variations when lam is joined to alif? For example, when you write al-ula.
That's lam alif.
Yeah, lam.
Okay. When it is lam alif, so it will be like this. Some people, they do it like this. Huh?
Yes.
So both of them is right, or like this. So like al-ula. Al-ula. Now حرف النون. So هذا هو حرف النون. So part of it on the top of the line and the bottom under the line.
Does the dot always need to go in the middle, or does it go at the tip of the first?
Doesn't matter. So إذا كان في بداية الكلمة بهذه الطريقة، في وسط الكلمة بهذه الطريقة. And at the end, في نهاية الكلمة. Now I noticed while I'm teaching some children, they confuse between the noon and the dal.
Yes.
Yeah, because like they think, especially when they find it sometimes in the books, like this.
The dal you can't join.
Yeah. So again, the same rule, that the dal is unjoined. So, and also the dal is not straight. So the noon should be straight, is number one. Number two, that the dal unjoined letter. So you join it from the right, but you will not find the dal joined to the next letter.
But when it becomes the last letter, noon and dal are written differently.
Yes, yes.
All the way down.
No, they confuse when it is at the first, at the beginning. If it is in the middle, they are not confused. This is what I noticed. If it is at the middle, at the beginning, they confuse sometimes. Is this dal or no? And also one of the things I noticed, some students, they make mistake, that when they see this, is this noon or ba? Some of them. So remember, when it is on the top, it is noon. Which is at the bottom, it is
Been.
ba.
I make that mistake when I write because I think I'm a bit dyslexic. So I put the dot in the top.
Yes, so the noon, all the time, the noon comes on the top. And if you like, just to remind your child about this, say to them the order of the letters, alif, ba, ta, tha. So the second letter, it is on the bottom, but the letter which is by the end, the noon, it is on the top. Now, fa and qaf and mim. Fa, so you like make small circle, then, and the fa is big. So when we write it, is big. And when it is at the beginning, so this is, how is it? In the middle, sorry.
You know, one thing I get when I write.
And at the end,
You know, ghain and fa.
yeah, the ghain is a little bit bigger, and when it is, so you can see like the ghain a little bit bigger when you write.
And it's you know, the corners are a bit sharper than.
Yes, sharp. Now the qaf is the same in the at the beginning and in the middle. But in the other shapes, it's different. So, and it has 2 dots. So the qaf is smaller, yeah, and goes down the line. So the fa, as you notice here, on the line, but the qaf goes down. And when it is at the beginning, like this, in the middle, this, and at the end, like this. So this is the fa and the qaf. The mim, if I put the line here, so this is the mim. So at the beginning, so when you make the line, bring the line from the top, yeah? So the circle will be in this shape, because this is why it is important to do it like, because it will not be like the fa.
Yeah.
Yes?
Okay.
And in the middle, and at the end, like this. And sometimes you'll find the meme like this. They write it at the end, especially in the Quran. So you'll find Ar-Rahim in the Quran like this. And you'll find it in other words. You'll find the long beam, but this part of it is going down. So I hope this will clarify how. I know all of you, mashallah, you know how to write these things, but just some rules which makes your writing is better. This is why I encourage all of you to do the writing in these 2 pages. Practice the writing. This, inshallah, will help you to improve your writing. And this is the end of Unit 5. هذا هو يعني القسم الأخير من هذه الوحدة التي هي عن الطعام والشراب. فالآن تستطيعون أن تتحدثوا باللغة العربية عن الطعام وعن الشراب. تسأل كم وجبة تأكل في اليوم؟ آكل 3 وجبات وبعض الطعام. My advice to all of you, memorize the words and the sentences and the questions, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help all of us to learn the language of the Quran. Jazakumullah khair.